Hey beautiful, happy Sunday. It's Daddy. This is a video. So today is pretty much a monumental day in USA, and that is because it's a man's sport. Probably when you're older, you'll probably be a cheerleader for this sport, and it's football. Today is known as Super Bowl. Now, what you're going to like about it is probably around halftime. You probably won't pay any attention to it till halftime, and the reason why is because there's a thing called the Puppy Bowl. And so you get to see all the cute little puppies running around, and so I'm gonna ask for your input and see what you think about the puppies, and I'll watch them, and we'll see what we like. Okay? Deal? Perfect. But other than that, though, baby, I miss you so much, like always. Counting down the days till I get to see you again. And but other than that, though, you have a great rest of the day. Make sure you're good for Mom, and know Daddy's always thinking about you. If I don't get to talk to you later on the phone or on over the camera, then you have a good night and sweet dreams, baby. I love you forever. Goodbye.